Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Today we will study about speed, average speed, velocity and acceleration. So let's begin with our class. So speed is the rate of change of distance is called speed, or the distance traveled by a body per unit time. So the total distance by the total time taken by any body to travel is called the speed. So the formula for speed is distance by time. SI unit is meter per second and it is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity means it doesn't have any direction, or direction is not necessary. Next we will come to average speed. Now in case of non-uniform motion, let's go to a previous class. In case of non-uniform motion, you have seen that sometimes the speed is higher, sometimes it's lower, sometimes it's again higher. So it's very difficult for us to actually tell that the body is traveling with say 2 km per hour or 3 km per hour. So there is no specific speed which we can say. That we can say in case of uniform motion. Since in case of uniform motion the speed is constant, hence we can say that the body is traveling with say 4 km per hour speed. But in case of non-uniform motion this is not possible, because sometimes the speed will increase, sometimes the speed will decrease. In these cases we will use average speed. So for non-uniform motion, the average speed of an object is obtained by dividing the total distance traveled by the object by the total time taken. So what we do, we will take the total distance. See, in this case the total distance is 3 plus 1 plus 2 km. That means 4, 5, 6 km, and time is 1 plus 1 plus 3. So the average speed will be 6 km by 3 hours. That means the average speed is 2 km per hour. Okay, so this is how we calculate average speed. We will do problems, numericals again regarding all this. Next we come to velocity. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement with time. Now speed is rate of change of distance and velocity is rate of change of displacement. Very important point. That means velocity, the formula for velocity is change of displacement by time. So the SI unit is again same as speed, it's meter per second, but it is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means it needs both magnitude and direction. Now let the initial displacement of any body be A and the final displacement be B. So the velocity of the body will be final minus initial by time, that is change. You have to change the displacement. So displacement, if you change it, it will be final minus initial. By time, that is final displacement here is B, initial displacement is A divided by time T. Next we come to acceleration. Now acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. So the formula for acceleration is change of velocity by time. SI unit is meter per second square and it is a vector quantity. Again, vector quantity means it has both direction as well as magnitude. Now let the initial velocity of any object be U and the final velocity be V. So the acceleration will be final minus initial, again same over here, final minus initial by time. So V minus U by T, very important relation, you must remember it. A is equal to V minus U by T. In our next class we will deal with some problems regarding velocity, acceleration and speed. Thank you.